In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript to Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a script on a specific page using a code block, adjust the correct settings so it actually runs, and confirm that it works on your live site. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and heading to your account dashboard. From there, open your site and go to the website view. This puts you inside the site editor, where you can reach all the content and design tools you need. Next, open Pages, then choose the page where you want the JavaScript to appear and click Edit to enter page editing mode. You'll see your page sections and blocks become selectable. Now it's time to add a code block. Click Add Block in the spot where you want your script to run. In the block picker, search for or select Code. If you see Code again in the options or the sidebar, go ahead and click it to open the block settings panel. You should now be looking at a field where you can type or paste code, along with a preset selector that includes HTML and JavaScript. Squarespace often drops in a little placeholder, like a simple paragraph. Click inside the code field, highlight any placeholder text, and delete it so you're starting clean. Before pasting your script, set the preset to JavaScript so the editor understands the syntax. Paste your JavaScript into the field. If your script targets elements on the page, be sure those elements exist on the page already, or place the code block beneath the relevant content so the DOM is ready when your script runs. Here's an important Squarespace quirk. Even though you're adding JavaScript, you'll ultimately want the preset set to HTML so the code executes on the front end. So after pasting, switch the preset from JavaScript to HTML. This doesn't change your code, it just tells Squarespace to render it rather than display it like a snippet. While you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Display Source Code. Make sure it's off, so visitors won't see your code as plain text. They'll see the result of the script running. If you haven't already placed the block exactly where you want it, you can drag the code block into position in the layout, center stage, a specific section, or wherever your design calls for it. Position matters for behavior and styling, so put it near the content it interacts with. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes to the page, then click Exit to leave editing mode. To verify it worked, view the page on your site. If your script creates an interactive element, like a button that reveals a hidden message, click the button and confirm the behavior appears as expected. For example, you might see text prompting you to click a button to reveal a magic word, then a button labeled Reveal Word, and finally the revealed message. That confirms your JavaScript is running properly on the page you edited. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see changes right away, refresh the page or try a private window to bypass caching. Keep your scripts as lightweight as possible for performance. If your code depends on external libraries, be sure they load before your script runs. And remember, custom code is best added with care. Test on a draft or a non-indexed page first, then roll it out to your live content once you're confident. That's it. You added a code block, cleared the placeholder, pasted your JavaScript, switched the preset to HTML, turned off display source code, placed the block where you wanted it, saved, exited, and tested the result. Follow these steps each time you need to add custom behavior to a Squarespace page, and you'll have a smooth, repeatable workflow.